Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we dissect products like a biology class experiment, but without the weird smells. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning and comparing two heavyweights in the steam mop arena, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop. Let's mop the floor with some facts. First up, let's talk about the price. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim is priced at $164, which is like the cost of a fancy dinner for two. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at just $74. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Dirt Devil, with many noting you could buy two for the price of one BISSELL and still have money left over for takeout. Now, let's get into cleaning power. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, making it a favorite among users who want a deep clean. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness in removing odors and stains, making homes smell fresh. In contrast, while the Dirt Devil does clean effectively, some users feel it doesn't quite match the germ-fighting abilities of the BISSELL, describing it as good for quick cleanups, but lacking in tackling tougher stains. Moving on to versatility, the BISSELL comes with a variety of tools, including a grout tool and clothing steamer, which makes it great for multiple cleaning tasks. Reviewers appreciate this versatility, often mentioning how it can handle everything from floors to countertops. The Dirt Devil, while it does have a 180-degree swivel head for easy maneuverability, lacks the same range of attachments, making it less versatile overall. Users enjoy its ease of use but wish for more functionality. When it comes to convenience, both mops have their benefits. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim boasts a 25-feet power cord, allowing users to reach difficult spots easily. Reviewers love this aspect, as it helps cover larger areas without needing to unplug. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil heats up quickly in just 30 seconds, making it a go-to for those in a hurry. However, some users have mentioned that its shorter length can lead to discomfort during use. Overall, the reviews for the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim highlight its powerful cleaning capabilities and versatility, though some users mention it can be heavy and have durability issues. The Dirt Devil Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and ease of use, but some users express concerns about its build quality and effectiveness on tougher stains. So there you have it. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim is the heavyweight champion of steam cleaning, while the Dirt Devil is your trusty sidekick on a budget. Which one do you prefer? And why? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to both products.